Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can take the snapshot, what is snapshot and how we can take snapshot and how we can restore from snapshot. Suppose your server is corrupted, server OS is corrupted, so you want to recover the server, or if you lost any data, how you can recover from snapshot, that we can see here. So first, what is snapshot? Snapshot is the backup of your EBS volume. EBS volume means like whatever server you are deploying. So whatever volume that is there, that is known as EBS volume. If you want to suppose how we can check where is the EBS volume. So whatever server you deployed, go to a storage part, and the storage you can say volume ID. You can open that volume ID. Okay, that is it will show here device name, like whatever root volume is there, in which volume your OS is there, that will be device name as dev as SDA1 always. Okay, it will show the volume size here. And encryption nowadays, that is compulsory for all the AWS accounts. So in any organization, encryption is required. So suppose if you want to create any volume and attach with this server, so you need to go to the volume section is here in the left side. Open the volume section. Okay, and just create volume. If you want to create any volume, just create volume. Here volume type like SSD, GP2, GP3, whatever you want to take. So GP2 you can take, GP3 you can take, and here volume size, suppose I'm 10 GB I'm creating. Okay, that is IOPS. IOPS is input output per second. And the availability zone, you can check availability zone, like in which availability zone your server is there. My server is in 1D availability zone, so I will select here 1D. Okay, and here is the snapshot ID. That is, if you want to create volume from snapshot, that in you can select this one. And here is the option to encrypt the disk. Encryption, you can use encryption. You need to use your key. Either you import key from your own nation, or use the default AWS key. So generally we use default AWS key. Suppose here I'm just click on encrypt this volume, and default AWS key we can use. Okay, to encrypt the disk. So it will, all the information will come, key owner, key ID, key, and that it will also. If you want to tag volume, you can give name as test volume or something. Suppose name I have put, and data volume we can put. Okay, and we can create the volume. Okay, that way we can create the volume. Suppose I'm just creating this volume. Okay, I created this data volume. It's already created, 10 GB. Okay, and I want to attach this volume with the instance. So just select the volume and go in action. And here that is create snapshot. Okay, attach volume is not coming. Why it is not coming? We are on same 1D. That is correct. So why attach is not coming? Okay, I think this volume is still not created. That's why it attach option is not coming. It's available now. You can see here available volume state. Now we can attach here. So go in, select the volume, go in action and attach volume. Attach volume, and just you can see here the instance ID. Okay, and here device name, whatever I was telling, like device name, like when you this is your root volume. So okay, so the that is where is the PID is oh, that is not encrypted. That is different things. Okay, okay. Here in go in storage and the device name. This is the device name. Okay, here is the root volume dev SDA1. Okay, and if you want to attach any other volume, so you need to just give in whatever device name is coming, you can same thing you can put. So here is attached. The new volume is attached already here. Okay, you can see in use it will show in use. In use it is showing. I am already logged in the server. So see here, this is the server. Go to here disk management. If you computer management, go to disk management. That is okay. So this is the disk management. If you just attach, so it will not show in your system. From disk volume you need to create the volume. See here it is showing 10 GB, so you need to first online. After that just initialize this disk. Okay, here is a two part MBR and GPT. So if you wanted to use more than 2 TB and all volume, you should initialize as a GPT partition, because you can't extend that then volume. If suppose if you are using any database server, anything in that volume, your disk size may be go beyond the 2 TB and all. So if you initialize as a MBR, so you can't increase your disk that time. So you should initialize as a GPT. So I'm just initializing as MBR. So I have initialized the disk. Now right click here and new volume and go next. Create the volume. Okay, and suppose I'm assigning D, and here I'm putting just name as a data. Okay, and perform a quick format. It will format my disk and it will be available now. See, the drive is available now. So okay, we have created this one. This disk is encrypted. Okay, but our C drive is disk is not encrypted. Okay, so what we need to perform now. So we want to take the snapshot. Snapshot is a backup, you can say EBS volume backup. uh, from snapshot we can create again volume, and we can just attach volume again with the server. We can change root volume as well. Okay, so I'm just taking snapshot. Okay, we have two disk now. I'm just taking a snapshot for root volume. Okay, go to here and create snapshot. Go to action and create snapshot. Okay, snapshot, just give the root volume snapshot. Volume snap we can put. Okay, it's not encrypted. If you want to encrypt, there is another method to encrypt unencrypted disk also, that I will show later. And here name I can put name, I will put same root volume snap. Okay, and create snapshot. So how you first you just need to select your server and go to storage and select the disk. I have already selected disk. Okay, and after selecting disk, just create create snapshot. Here is okay, so we have created snapshot now for the root volume. Okay, where we can check here. Go to snapshot here. Okay, and snapshot is available now. Okay, it is still creating 30 GB volume. It is creating snapshot. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, and if you want to revert back, not revert back in VMware, we can revert back snapshot. But here, from snapshot, you need to create the volume, and from volume, you can replace the volume. Either root volume you can replace, or data volume you can replace, whatever recovery you want. If you want to say, suppose any data loss is there, so recent snapshot you can convert in disk, and you can attach that disk with the server and just go to the drive and copy the data. You can get the data. Very good. Whatever lost data is there, then you can recover. So this is the root volume snapshot I have created. Let it create. Then I will just show you like how we can create a volume from snapshot, and we can recover the server if any server is corrupted or anything, or is corrupted anything. So if we have the snapshot, so we can do the recovery. Snapshot that is automated you can also do, it will create every day one snapshot, and that's enough snapshot you can move also from one region to another region. So for that you can okay, let it create first. Okay, and you will go and snapshot, you can suppose copy snapshot or snapshot settings. Okay, that is okay. Now let it be first, create the snapshot. Okay, it is still creating the snapshot. Okay, another feature is life cycle manager. Like I was telling now, we can do the snapshot automatic policy we can create for snapshot. So we can create the life cycle policy. What it will do, it can take the snapshot every day. Suppose any server is there, if you want to create the snapshot, so it can just take the snapshot every day. Okay, and you can take the backup for AMI also. AMI I will explain in later video. So AMI also it can create. Okay, and cross account copy events snapshot we can copy from one. Suppose if for DR region or disaster recovery management, we need to copy snapshot from one region to another region. So that we can do using the lifecycle manager. So I will create one another video for lifecycle manager. Okay, let snapshot is completed. Okay, snapshot is completed here, and that is not encrypted. I have one another volume that is this one is encrypted. We can take snapshot. This one this is showing encrypted. Okay, by default key. Okay, so we have created the snapshots. I have logged in server. Suppose this server is corrupted. We are unable to log in with the server. Okay, so we want to recover this server. So let me shut down this server, because you need to attach the volume in shutdown mode. Okay, so just copy this device name, because for root changing the root volume, this device name is required. So I'm just copying this device name. Okay, so I just copied somewhere that device name. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have taken snapshot. So the from that snapshot we will convert the snapshot to the volume, and we will attach the volume, and we will try to access the server. Let's see if that works for this one. Okay, so this is the snapshot. Okay, from snapshot, first let's check our server in 1D. Okay, so snapshot, I'm just creating uh, from this snapshot. I'm just creating volume. Okay, create volume from snapshot, first option. So I'm just creating the volume. Okay, whatever volume is gp3 30 GB. Okay, what and region is one. Region should match, so that instance and your volume should be in same region, so that we can attach. Okay, and if we want to encrypt this volume, we can encrypt this volume here also. Encrypt this volume, and the default key we can select. Okay, and tag whatever. If you want to name tag, like we can put name root volume, name as a root. Okay, and create volume. We have created the volume. Now this is snapshot. You need to go in volume. If you also see, suppose one root volume we have created now from snapshot. Whatever snapshot we created from that snapshot. Okay, and suppose this server, so if that is shut down, it stops. Okay, so suppose this server is corrupted, and we want to recover this server. So we just need to change the root volume. Whatever root volume we have created from snapshot, latest snapshot, that we need to change. That we need to change. Okay, so go to, just click this volume, root volume. Okay, and select the volume, and just here, from here, detach the volume. Whatever older volume was there, that I have detached. Okay, and whatever new volume we have created here, that is showing available. Okay, so that we will attach volume. Okay, and whatever instance is there, that is start mode, we have selected the instance. And device name here, that is root volume. So always we need to put this one, dev an SDA1. Okay, SDA1 always we need to put just attach volume here. Okay, so what we did, old volume we have removed, and we have whatever root volume we have selected, created from snapshot, that we have attached. Okay, so now this is having new volume. Okay, so we are now starting instance, and let's see if we can log in. That way we can recover the server from snapshot. Like from snapshot we created the volume, we have attached the volume with the server. So if suppose OS corrupted, anything corrupted, then we can like recover that way. And see, root volume is now encrypted. While creating volume, we have selected the encryption as a yes, so that is encrypted now, and that is using default KMS key ID, that is AWS key management server. That the key ID, that is default KMS server from AWS, that we have selected. Okay, and another feature is, while server is starting, okay, it will initializing a status check. I already explained in previous video, like there is two status check that you can check here. Like status check is a system status check and instance status check. If both will initialize, then only you can log in the server. Okay, and another thing, like uh, suppose by mistake anybody has just selected this instance and went on instance state and click on terminate instance, so that instance will be gone. So to reduce this impact, there is one settings you need to enable the termination policy. So you need to go in secure, not security, go to where go to instance settings, okay, and change termination protection. So change, if I will enable that termination protection, so by default if you want to terminate this instance, we can't terminate. So always recommended these settings, go to action and the instance settings and the change termination protection, and just enable this one. So if by mistake anybody terminate your instance, it will not terminate. Okay, so I have enabled, I'm disabling now because I need to terminate this instance. Okay, it's like it's still going on. Okay, so let it complete. Okay, it's still going on. That way we can recover the server. If you want to create the snapshot for data volume also, like in daily way, daily we have to take the snapshot. We need to create the lifecycle manager, so that it will take automatically every day one snapshot in any organization if you are working. And we can recover same way, like from snapshot we need to create the volume, and that volume we can attach with the instance, and you can power on the instance, so that way you can recover your data. So let it complete the status check, so that we can access the server, and uh, we should know like it is working. Okay, it will taking longer time to initialize. Okay, let it be initialized. Okay. Okay, in coming video I will show you that what is lifecycle manager. Okay, so volume size is having different like type gp2 gp3, like many. If you want to create the volume, see how many types is there. SSD gp2 gp3 SSD IO1 also there, that is having like more IOPS. Suppose for the database server we wanted like IOPS setting is more, like input output, that we wanted more input output, like because this query is more in the DB server, so we can take IO0 server. Okay, that is having more IOPS. Okay, so throughput optimized hard disk is also available. Cold SSD is also available. Magnetic strip standard, that is new things came in AWS now. Okay, that way and throughput also we can change here while creating the volume. Okay, from snapshot, directly from snapshot we can just create the volume. Okay, let me just check if our server is online now. Okay, see, our server is online now. So just we will try to log in because we have recreated this server. Okay, so we need to okay. And other things I was explaining in last video, we have not created elastic IP. We have just using the public IP provided by AWS. So if you reboot the server, public IP will change. Earlier it was public IP was different, 172. Now it's 165. So it is recommended, like if you want to configure in web server annual, so you need to create the elastic IP and assign that elastic IP with the server. Okay, so whatever last public IP we are using now, let me just try to configure this server. Okay, so I'm just okay. Let me mstst. Okay, and I'm giving the 165 IP here. Okay, and I will just create this server. Username is administrator and password is by default same. Password is should be okay. Scam. So that we have recovered this server, like we have changed the OS drive. So this we are able to log in the server. So we have recovered the server. Let it log in. Yeah, it's logging. Okay, so I will go to let me check the drive if it is what the drive is showing correctly. So if you go here, okay, so C drive, D drive, it is showing here now. So we have recovered the server. So you have to take the snapshot every day so that if anything happened with the server, you can recover the server. If you lost data also, we can recover. Someone need deleted data, we can recover from the snapshot. Just snapshot create volume attached with the server, and you will get the data. Okay. So that is from this video. In next coming video, we will see how we can create the lifecycle manager, and we can move snapshot from one region to another region. We can copy the snapshot. Okay, and we will see some others like AMI. We will see how we can take the AMI, and from AMI we can recover the server. And security group, elastic IP, many things we will see in coming video. So that is from this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just like and subscribe my channel and forward to your friend so that you should know the basic AWS things. Thank you for watching this video.